Suppose angle A is 40 degrees and angle C is greater than 12 degrees but less than 36 degrees. What are the possible measurements for angle B? Okay, so we know that C has to be greater than 12 degrees but less than 36. So those are kind of our two constraints. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out what angle B would equal if it was 12 degrees. And then I'm going to figure out what angle B would equal if it was 36 degrees, and that's going to give me my range of possible answers. So first I'm just going to pretend like I'm using 12 degrees. So we would add up 40 plus 12, and then we would subtract from 180. So B could be 128 degrees. That's the biggest it could be. Now I'm going to do the same thing with 36. So I'm going to pretend like I'm using angle 36. So I'm going to take 40 plus 36, and I'm going to subtract from 180. And so that's the smallest that B could equal, 104 degrees. So we know that B has to be somewhere between 104 degrees and 128 degrees. And typically we'll use an inequality to show that. Angle B has to be greater than 104, but it has to be less than 128.